trailer all loaded up yesterday, but I threw my back out in the process. Thing's got these ramps on it, pocket ramps. I gotta make new ones because they're ridiculous. Like the ramps on my car trailer, load 10,000 pound skid steer on, no problem. It's like a 3-inch C channel, maybe not even 3-inch. Yeah, we got 3-inch C channel and 2-inch friggin' angle irons. That's it. That's 3-inch channel. That's twice as thick, and then it's got a flat piece welded to the outside of this. I mean, I don't know how much they weigh, but they're just way too much. 2 guys, not too bad. 1 guy, a little bit too much. Threw out my back. So then I had to get the friggin' what's it out. I could have just moved the tractor, but I need the tractor today too, so that's one point. But yeah, brand new starter, no start. Brand new starter, no start. So now I need to watch this. See, it's just like, look at this bastard. Brand new. Was able to finish the one job. Going to start another job. No start. So that's good. I guess $500 for one job a daisy. You know, get a new starter every job. I'll just have to price it. You know, add another $500 for a starter for every job, I guess. I mean, it wouldn't even be so bad if my back wasn't dick, but I cannot believe those ramps. Just ridiculous. Like, at no point are you loading like a bulldozer into this friggin' trailer, right? So that, you know, there's, like I say, the car trailer ramps load 10,000 pound skids here with no deviation whatsoever. Like, I mean, plus why have that much unnecessary weight? The whole trailer's thin as because it's, you know, maximize the capacities or whatever, right? Make it just flimsier as frig to maximize the capacities, but then make these ridiculously overbuilt ramps that throw your back out. Nice. Nice. I can get you the shot. One bolt. One tip I can give you too about, you know, fiddling with a wrench above your face is really pinch your mouth shut, because this thing will drop right on your teeth. I dropped a ratchet on my teeth one time and it just clacked my front teeth. I was like, holy shit. That'd be pretty cool. Have a head like this and then also have a bunch of missing teeth. Oh, that'd be sweet. Never in my life. Never in my fucking life, boys. So that's cool. But I gave him my old one to rebuild it. I haven't heard anything back from him, so hopefully he's at least got my old one rebuilt, so I can just throw that back in and carry on with my day, because this is junk. Brand new starter. Come on. Wait to start, boys. Fire's right up. Oh, holy cow, you guys. It's freaking raining too, so back's dicked, starter no good, raining. Starting the biggest job of my friggin' moat digging career today, so that's pretty sweet. Yeah, maybe the MTO. I think that's what that kid was doing, eh? She was an aspiring MTO officer. So she was just inspecting my trailer for me. Anyways, we gotta go to the job site, unload the trailer, go to the friggin' starter deck, get a new starter, and then Hopefully it's not raining in Corona. Hello? My starter that I got off, no worky.
Oh.
Did you happen to rebuild the one I dropped off to you yet? Then I could just put that one in my tractor.
Yeah, that's really weird there. That spins way too easy. No, I haven't touched that one yet.
Sweet.
I gotta play with that one. I don't know what that one needs. Does it just click?
Yeah, that one just clicks. Well, the last time I started this that it worked, it sounded pretty grumbly. Like it was like it almost sounded like it was grinding. You know what I mean? Like not the teeth, it was, you know what I mean?
Something sounds funny there. It's spinning way too easy.
Mm-hmm.
That's really good now. Okay. You said you had the back end, so everything must be good in the back, eh?
What do you mean?
You said you had this out?
Yeah, I put a new bearing in it.
Yeah. You've seen everything else, everything looks good. It's rotating.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I wasn't doing that before. I was just shoving out, right?
Yeah. Okay. Try this one out and I'll see about getting that one. Or what's up with that one. Maybe I have to send that one back. I have no idea.
Right on.
It's always something, isn't it?
All right. Right on.
Okay.
All right, well.
That's what I'll let you know.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Well, I got my old starter back. I'll stab this one back in and see what happens. How do you like them apples? Bolt that son of a bitch in there, relentless. Oh, nice. Oh, rocks on the back. Nice. Okay, let's in. Let's see. Oh, need to hook up the battery. Stand by. Okay, a moment of cigarettes. Ridiculous. Brand new starter, 500 bucks. And then when I bring that one back, he just friggin' bing bang boom, wire brushes the old one and gets it working. So, well, it turns out the new starter was getting water in it, so I'm assuming the old starter was getting water in there too, so we've been tarping it off. You can see it down there. Nice and dry. I just tarp it off. Hey, it's got a hood, but when you leave the hood on, she overheats and it's all bent up and dicked and stuff anyway. So I don't know, maybe I don't know. We'll just tarp it off. That's all. Piece of piss, right? But yeah, so that's unfortunate. I spent $500 on a starter when all I needed was a wire brushing on my old one. But I guess I got an extra one now. Oh, hey. It's cool. Don't worry about it. Fuck. But yeah, we're just about done. One more partial day left, and we go. Sweet.